Changing your WhatsApp profile picture is a quick and simple process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. If this video helps, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. In the top right corner, tap the menu button, the three dots. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. At the top of the Settings page, you'll see your name. Tap on it. Now, look at your current profile picture. You'll notice a small camera icon beside it. Tap that. Here, you'll have three options. Either choose an image from your gallery, take a brand new photo, or choose an avatar. Select the one you prefer. Once you've picked your picture, you can adjust and crop it to fit perfectly. When you're satisfied, tap Done, and just like that, your new profile picture is set. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.